We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. In short, it has always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.